Lunatics. Today we're going to be making the first sounds on our flute. For today's lesson, the only thing you're going to need is your flute head joint. Alright, so take a second and go ahead and get this out of your case. You can pause the video while you do that. Make sure your case is on a flat surface, not on your lap. And when you're ready, come on back. Alright, so we're ready to make our first sounds on the flute. So I've got my head joint here, and I've got my finger, and so I hope you've got your finger with you also. We're going to use this first, like our head joint, before we actually get the flute up to our face. So to make our flute embouchure, now embouchure is a word that means the way our mouth looks in order to play an instrument. So the flute embouchure is pretty simple. So let's take our pointer finger, okay, and I want you to find, let me get a little closer here, the area where your chin skin turns into lip skin. Okay, should be like a line there. I want you to find that. You're going to put your finger on that line. Okay, then you're going to gently push into your teeth. All right, don't hurt yourself, just very gently. Okay, then you're going to smile and pull your lip tight, that bottom lip, pull it tight, like that. And then you're going to relax your smile. Okay, and so what you should notice is where your finger is touching your lip, it's still tight against your teeth there, and the lip is still spread apart a little bit, but everything else is nice and relaxed. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that again. So we're going to take our finger, find that area where the skin texture changes, push in gently, smile, and relax. Okay, and then the last step to make the sound is we have to put air through the instrument. And so we're going to keep our lips closed, and we're going to let the air open our lips. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. Okay, you may have been able to see my lip open a little bit there. I'm thinking, this is kind of funny, I'm thinking of saying the word poo. That is going to open the lip with the air and give you the right shape of your mouth to make a good sound on the flute. Okay, so now let's get our head joint. All right, and we've got right here the tone hole. Okay, and so I want that tone hole to be pointed up towards the ceiling. All right, and on one side I have the end cap here. That needs to be held by your left hand. All right, and on the other side I've got this opening that's going to go into the body of our flute later, and that needs to be held by our right hand. For this exercise, I'm actually going to make sure that this end is plugged off, and so I'm just going to use the palm of my hand and stop up that side. It's going to make this exercise a little bit easier as we're learning. Okay, so the end cap in my left hand, other end in my right hand. Got a nice grasp on this so it's not going anywhere. The tone hole here is pointed up towards the ceiling. Okay, so we found that little spot on our lip where the skin texture changes. So I'm going to use that spot, and I'm going to try and find the back edge of this tone hole with that spot. Okay, and that's right there. And then I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to push into my lip gently. I'm going to smile and then relax. Smile, relax. Okay, and there we are. I'm going to close my lips and I'm going to say poo without actually saying it. Okay, and that's how you're going to make your first sounds on the flute. Now, some tips if that doesn't work the first time, which it might not, and that's perfectly okay. Make sure that the tone hole is facing up, okay? You're not going to be blowing directly into the tone hole. If you do that, nothing happens, okay? So the goal is to blow across the top of it. Kind of like if you've ever taken like a half-empty Coke bottle and made a sound on that. That's the same concept right here. Okay, so you're going to blow over the top of it. You don't want to cover it up or blow into it, but we're looking to blow over the top of the hole. You might want to experiment with moving slightly to the left or to the right of the center of your lips. Okay, the way my body is made, when I make the poo sound, air doesn't come out right from the middle. It comes off for me a little bit to my left. So when I play flute, I shift it just barely to the left so that that airstream is going right into or right across the tone hole. Some other things, you might find that it would be helpful to maybe roll the tone hole closer to you, or maybe roll it a little further away from you. Okay, just experiment and try and find what works and what gets you the best sound. All right, hope you enjoy making your first sounds, and I'll see you next time.